channel, US30 Masters. So we'll be analyzing what will be happening tomorrow, which will be the 17th of January, so on a Friday. So I'll be using a strategy known as TimePrecision trading. Yeah, a nice strategy that I use to catch some good, beautiful entries. So I'll be using daily repetitions and weekly repetitions. So let's check. So tomorrow is a Friday. So market is going to close soon, right here, around 1 here. It's gonna start the new day. So what I'm gonna be looking at, firstly, I'm gonna look at daily repetitions. So we see that when we check the market, what happened currently here, we had a few places that acted as a resistance, but we see this current move being the biggest move for the day. Can you see this was the biggest move for the day? So, and we see that it started due to this area there, due to that area there. And that area there, yes, it held for long, as you can see, the rejection like 1, 2, 3. But if we look at our focus properly and we use time precision trading also, we see that here we had 930 here. We had a candlestick that was 930. Yeah, I'm trying to type. Something is wrong here. So this was 930. This was 930. And then we came to reject exactly where this candlestick was, 930. So we came to reject that candlestick. So I'm just purely using time precision. And if we check what happened also on a Wednesday, we see 930 acting again as a, so there it acted as a support. So we see here 930 acting as a resistance. So we're just gonna look for our 930 there. So 930 is right here. So I'm just going to close the candle just like that. And then we see what market did. Market, yes, gave us a move and it came to reject the 930. It came right here to reject the 930. Just like that. So 930 acted as a resistance to give us strong buys, and again we saw the exact same thing here, 930 here. So 930 here acted as a support for market to push down. And now we're going to look at weekly repetition. So we saw the repetition that was happening on a daily due to time. Now we're going to check the weekly repetition. When I check the weekly repetition, I just check what's happening each and every week. So just going to check on the 10th. So on the 10th, weekly repetition on the 10th. So we see market also on a Thursday. Last week Thursday, we see market did I could say the same thing. It played around at the same place, as you can see. Last week Thursday we had consolidation, a lot of it before market gave us a strong sell on a Friday. So that's what happened last week. And then we see again the same exact thing happening on this particular Thursday. Again, we see market doing what? Consolidating, playing around at this area there. So we see already we have a formation repetition where we have a consolidation formation from the 9th and the 16th. Same exact movement. And just by that, now we can see, okay, what happened on a Friday. On a Friday, we see we came and we retested the Thursday high. We came exactly there to retest the Thursday high, as you can see. That's what happened. We came to retest the Thursday high. And we retested the Thursday high. And if you check the Thursday, it's exactly 12:15. We have to note that down. Note that down. Note that down. 12:15. So that was 12:15 there. So we're gonna note it down. And then it came to a retest at 1. I think that one doesn't matter. Let's focus on the high. It was created around 12 o'clock. And if we go to the Friday, this one, and we check what time was this high there created. So we're just gonna zoom in just a little bit, and then we see that the candlestick that created the high was this one here. I'll come to it now. So the candlestick that created the high was this one right there. So that's the candlestick they created. And if you check the time, you'll be surprised. It's 12, around 12 again, 12:45, around 12:45, around 12:45. So that's where it came to give us a retest around 12:45. And then we see here it was 12:15, right? 12:15, and it came there around, let me just include it, around 1 o'clock. So like 15, came there around 1 o'clock. So tomorrow we're gonna look for an entry, a sell opportunity. The reason we're going for sales tomorrow, I'm just following formation repetition. I'm not psychic. I'm not. I don't see the future. So I'm not saying that's the overall direction. It can go against us. So use stop loss, but I'm confident. That's what I can say. That tomorrow we might be looking for a strong sell on a Friday, a really good sell. But after that sell, we're gonna see a strong buy. We're gonna see a buy following that sell. Yes, we are going to see sells, but after that, we're gonna see buys that are going to break the Friday high and the Thursday high. So what I'm saying is, market is going to give us is a pull to the upside coming here, and it's gonna come here and retest around 1. So I don't know exactly when properly, but around 1. So we add like 15 around quarter past 1. Just check the market. So around quarter past 1 or half past 1. So we might see market already coming to retest that area, and then we're going to see sales. So I'm not sure of the current support that we have, but if we go to the 1 hour time frame, as I was on the 5:30, if you check here, we kind of have a support area here. So they might market might be, yes, coming to this area before we see a strong buy, but let's not rush it. Let's not rush this one. But that's the scenario. That's the scenario. So yes, so that's my entry there. My entry will be here. I risk 40 pips, and then my TP will be there. So yeah, that's